And we begin with breaking COVID-19 news. A Food and Drug Administration advisory panel soundly rejected a plan to offer Pfizer booster shots against COVID-19 to most Americans. The panel approved the third dose only for people who are 65 and older or run a high risk of severe disease. But the general public will have to wait until the FDA gives its approval for use. A panel of outside experts voiced frustration that Pfizer had provided little data on safety of extra doses, which led to today's ruling. So, what's at the heart of the question surrounding this third dose, and why are some doctors and other medical experts questioning the need for a vaccine booster shot?
An FDA advisory panel met virtually Friday ahead of a vote on whether a Pfizer booster shot is safe and effective in the fight against COVID-19.
We're committed to focusing on the science.
Supporters of boosters point to data from Israel, which showed severe cases sharply decreased in the 60 and over age group following the third dose.
If we had not started booster doses at the end of July, we would have come to the capacity of Israel hospitalization capabilities.
But some scientists question Israel's data. There's also disagreement on whether the general population needs boosters or whether it's more important to concentrate on the unvaccinated before giving third shots.
We know that there may be differing opinions as to the interpretation of the data regarding the potential need for additional doses.
The FDA advisory meeting is just step one. A CDC panel must also weigh in and is scheduled to meet next week. The Biden administration says it's prepared if given the go-ahead.
Supply is in good shape for all Americans to get boosters as recommended.
Just this week, a group of scientists, including 2 outgoing FDA regulators, wrote an article published in The Lancet stating although the benefits of primary COVID-19 vaccination clearly outweigh the risks, widespread boosting should be undertaken only if there is clear evidence that it is appropriate.
It is not known whether there will be an increased risk of myocarditis, pericarditis, or other adverse reactions.
As the pandemic rages on, a new exhibit opened on the National Mall of more than 600,000 white flags representing those in the U.S. who have died from COVID-19.
A just-released CDC report says Moderna has the highest effective rate against COVID hospitalizations at 93%, compared with Pfizer's 88% and Johnson & Johnson's 71%.